Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 6464, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 6464? What's the symbolism of 6464? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 6464 mean for love? What does 6464 mean for twin flames? What does 6464 for manifestation? How does angel number 6464 affect finances? What does 6464 mean for former relationships? How does 6464 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 6464? What are the weaknesses of angel number 6464? What's the meaning of angel number 6464? Angel number 6464 signifies balance, structure, and persistence in building a stable foundation for your life. It combines the energies of 6, representing family, responsibility, and care, with 4, which embodies hard work, discipline, and organization. Seeing 6464 is a sign from the universe to focus on your long-term goals, eliminate distractions, and create harmony in your home and spiritual life. It's a reminder to trust in the steady progress you're making, even if the rewards are not immediate. Your angels are encouraging you to maintain faith and stay grounded as you continue building a purposeful, stable, and spiritually aligned future. What's the symbolism of angel number 6464? The symbolism of angel number 6464 revolves around balance between material stability and emotional fulfillment. The number 6 symbolizes nurturing, love, and responsibility, while 4 represents order, planning, and steady effort. Together, 6464 symbolizes the need to build your life on a strong moral and emotional foundation. It often appears when you're being reminded to prioritize both family and personal goals without neglecting your inner peace. Symbolically, it's about alignment between heart and home, work and rest, dreams and discipline. It calls for consistency in action, loyalty to your values, and a grounded approach to navigating change and spiritual evolution. What is the angel number 6464 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 6464 emphasizes practical spirituality, integrating your higher purpose with your everyday response. It reminds you that spiritual growth isn't just about prayer or meditation, but also about how you show up in your relationships, career, and personal integrity. The repetition of 6 and 4 suggests your angels are helping you align your earthly tasks with divine timing. You're being guided to create stability in your outer world to support inner peace. Trust that your hard work and emotional investments are spiritually recognized. 6464 encourages a path of grounded faith, humble service, and spiritual wisdom rooted in daily life. What does the angel number 6464 mean for love? In love, angel number 6464 encourages nurturing, loyalty, and building emotional security with your partner. It reminds you that love thrives not only through passion but through shared values, mutual support, and long-term commitment. The 6 asks you to be compassionate and emotionally present, while the 4 suggests working together to strengthen your relationship through communication and reliability. If single, this number urges you to establish emotional clarity and stability before entering a new relationship. For couples, it's a call to revisit foundational aspects like trust and teamwork, ensuring your bond is rooted in both affection and mutual responsibility. What does angel number 6464 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 6464 suggests a time of grounding and structure in the connection. Whether you are in union or separation, this number indicates the need for emotional maturity and practical stability before a deeper bond can form. The 6 energy supports emotional healing and love, while 4 asks for patience and steady progress. If challenges exist, 6464 advises both twin flames to build themselves individually before reunion. It also highlights the importance of communication, trust, and daily effort in sustaining the relationship. Overall, this number reflects divine timing and soul work through practical action and emotional growth. What does angel number 6464 for manifestation? Angel number 6464 indicates that manifestation requires a disciplined mindset, emotional clarity, and consistent action. Your angels are telling you that your goals are within reach, but only if you align your intentions with integrity and responsibility. The 6 energy encourages manifesting with love and purpose, while 4 emphasizes the need to build your dreams step by step. It's not a time for shortcuts, but for putting in the real work behind your desires. 6464 also asks you to release limiting beliefs about worthiness or stability and trust that you are fully supported in manifesting a future grounded in abundance. How does angel number 6464 affect finances? Financially, angel number 6464 encourages smart planning, responsible spending, and a steady approach to growth. It suggests that long-term financial stability is achievable through discipline and integrity. The number 6 supports providing for loved ones and managing money with compassion, while 4 brings structure and practicality to how you earn, save, or invest. This number may appear if you're being guided to make wiser financial choices or reassess your budgeting strategies. It's also a sign that your financial concerns are being addressed on a higher level, so long as you take aligned action and remain patient as results unfold. What does angel number 6464 mean for former relationships? Angel number 6464 encourages healing and closure from past relationships by offering perspective and emotional balance. It asks you to reflect on the lessons learned and use those insights to grow stronger and more self-aware. The 6 energy pushes you to release blame and embrace forgiveness, while 4 urges you to establish emotional boundaries and personal structure moving forward. You may be called to finally let go of residual emotions tied to past partners, creating space for healthier connections. 6464 supports moving on with grace and encourages emotional maturity, so you don't repeat old cycles or carry emotional baggage. How does angel number 6464 guide your work life? In your professional life, angel number 6464 guides you towards stability, structure, and long-term fulfillment. The energy of 4 brings attention to discipline, goal setting, and productivity, while 6 highlights finding purpose and emotional satisfaction in your work. If you've been feeling stuck or overwhelmed, 6464 suggests creating a clear plan and staying consistent, even if progress feels slow. It may also point to a career shift that better aligns with your values or family responsibilities. You're being urged to build a solid foundation in your professional life by being dependable, collaborative, and mindful of the impact your work has on others. What are the strengths of angel number 6464? The strengths of 6464 include dependability, emotional intelligence, and a strong work ethic. People influenced by this number are often caretakers, planners, and builders, able to create stable environments for themselves and those around them. They excel in roles that require compassion, loyalty, and structured leadership. This number brings the ability to navigate challenges calmly and practically, while also offering emotional support to others. There is also a natural drive for self-improvement and personal responsibility. 6464 offers the strength to manifest success through steady action and a deep inner wisdom that prioritizes emotional well-being and long-term growth. What are the weaknesses of angel number 6464? The weaknesses of angel number 6464 may include rigidity, emotional suppression, and work-life imbalance. The double 4 energy can lead to overworking, perfectionism, or inflexibility in routines, while the May 6 overextend itself to please others or neglect personal need. People under this number's influence may struggle to embrace spontaneity or change, preferring predictability even when it no longer serves them. There can also be a tendency to shoulder too much responsibility or become overly attached to security. To overcome these weaknesses,